I'd like to talk to you a little bit about the Akashic Records and why it's so valuable and why it's so important to learn how to open up your own Akashic Records. It's valuable because we are in what everyone calls end times. And what that means to most of us is that we're in this cycle where we're winding up our sojourn on Earth as humans the way we've always been. And we're now moving to a way of being that is completely different. And we're creating a new environment for ourselves to live in and for humanity to thrive in. And a lot of what we encounter or have encountered in the past is directly related to our wounds or our needs or perhaps our environment, our parents. And when we have the ability to look into the Akashic Records, we are then able to gain a bigger picture. And when we have the bigger picture, it's easier for us to let go of our judgments. It's easier for us to be kinder to people. And ultimately, it gives us the ability to rise above our foibles. And this is a huge opportunity to gain this wisdom and to be part of the transformation of humanity. Some of us are planting these beautiful gardens, and with the ability to go into the Akashic Records, we're able to anticipate our disappointments and understand other people's behaviors so that we can be kinder than we might have been otherwise. I am inspired by what the record keepers tell me, and I'm also very I'm often surprised because sometimes I'm given information that I wasn't expecting. And this is normal to get information you're not expecting because the record keepers are there to fill in the gap. And if we were expecting it, we would already know it. We wouldn't need the record keepers. So it's kind of funny, and it's kind of a cyclical type discussion because once you begin to realize, wait a minute, there's a whole piece to this we don't know, and once we begin to get our arms around that idea, what happens is we relax into it, and it's easier not only to go into the records, but to give ourselves the privilege of solving problems in the records. And that's very amazing.